Hello everybody, Yetro Avalos here. Welcome to episode 2 of this ongoing recall training series. In this episode, we're going to learn how to transform your dog's acknowledgement to the sound of his name into a reliable recall tool. The first step is to visualize how you would like your dog's recall to look like. And the reason for that is because I believe the key to teaching something very well lies in the details. The more information you can give your dog, the better. So once you have that image very clear, we're gonna place markers throughout the entire sequence so your dog never has a doubt as to what to do when you're calling him. Before we start tackling the markers, I would like to take a moment to talk about how to seal the deal. Very often when I'm at the park, I can see owners that have dogs that don't necessarily have a recall problem, but when they're about to put him on leash, the dog stops and goes away. The reason for that might be very simple. It's all about body language. Sometimes when we try to go and put the leash on, we lean forward and we put our hand on top of their heads. That's a very aggressive body language. And that's why your dog might be reacting negatively to it. So next time, instead of reaching for him, make sure that he comes in all the way, and instead of reaching on top, reach underneath at chest level, and then you go for the collar. That will provide you a higher rate of success. Now that you have all your markers in place, we're going to work each one of them individually. So the first couple of times you're going to reward the first step. In this case will be when your doggy acknowledges the sound of his name or starts turning his head towards you. The next marker will be when your dog's body is starting to turn completely. The third step will be when your dog's body is completely towards you. The fourth marker will be when your dog is taking one step towards you, and so on and so forth until your dog comes to you. It is very important when you're working on these elements that we capture the movement and not the position of your dog. If you wait for the doggy to sit on the position that you want to reward, you're going to have a hard time promoting movement. So make sure that you click when your dog's paw is in the air instead of when your dog is just sitting with both paws on the ground. The more you capture the momentum, the faster you'll get your recall training done. Once you've rewarded every single one of those markers, the next step is to be as random as you can. For example, the first time you're going to click and reward when your dog acknowledges the sound of his name. The next time you're going to click and reward when your dog is halfway towards you. The next time you're going to click when your dog is barely turning towards you. The next time you're going to click when your dog is almost by your feet. The idea is that you're as random as you can be, so he never knows when you're going to click next, so he's more likely to come all the way every single time. In addition to that, you can stop rewarding every now and then, so you can start facing other treats. But don't rush that part. Take it easy and make sure that you're always successful. That is it for me, everybody. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. In the next episode, I'm going to expand more on body language and what to do when your recall goes out the window, because let's face it, it happens. See you on the next one. Bye.
Thank you.